channel. I hope you guys are staying safe, taking care of yourself, your skin, your hair and everything. And as I always review products, this time I have got this amazing range from Pilgrim, which actually is superb. I've been using this since a week now, and the whole range which I'm going to review today consists of a body butter, a body scrub, night serum and also a face and body mist. So let's get started. We'll see the application and also the review of this whole range. So keep watching this video to know more. First product I'm going to review here is this volcanic lava ash body scrub. I love body scrubs because I really like to rejuvenate my skin a lot. So this one here specifically is paraben and sulfate free, and it's vegan, which is the best part. This is the body here, this is the can, and it also comes up with an applicator, which I really like because I don't like to mess my hands and everything. So yeah, wow, this is how the product looks, guys. And yeah, it's actually like a lava, it's actually like a volcano. So I'm going to take a little product on my spatula and just apply it here for you guys to see. So guys, as you know that Sundays are for pampering your skin and everything, so I really like to do that a lot. Ooh, this is actually nice. I like how it's really, you know, like sand. So I'm gonna just scrub my hands and come back and tell you how I feel after putting this amazing volcanic lava ash body scrub, which is paraben free. It is non-toxic, doesn't have chemicals. Also, it doesn't have any sulfate. It is vegan. It is cruelty free. The best part. It exfoliates and rejuvenates your skin and actually goes inside your pore deep so that you get that exfoliation. So I'm gonna just wash my hand and come back and show you the results. Can you see how my skin is really shining right now? So I haven't put any exfoliator here, but I've put here. This side of my skin really feels soft and supple, and I really feel that when you're using any kind of exfoliator or scrub, you genuinely need something which actually makes your skin softer going inside your pores, and this product really helped me with that. So I really liked it. We have this amazing Shea and cocoa body butter with white lotus. I have been looking for a really nice body butter since a very long time now, because as you guys know that fall is coming now and we all have dry skin. So after exfoliating, it is very important, very important to actually put a nice cocoa butter or Shea butter or a body butter on yourself. The best part is that this also comes with a spatula with an applier. Though I don't need one, but I think it's better to use a spatula or an applier. So this is how it looks from inside. Oh wow, this smells divine. It actually has that lotus sort of a smell, fragrance, and I'm going to apply it with the spatula as well. Soft it is, and it is actually making my skin really soft and supple. It's thick, so the best part is that when you apply a thick moisturizer or a Shea butter or a body butter, it actually goes inside your skin and gives it a really nice glow, and also it makes it soft. I have a really dry skin, so for me, for somebody like me who has a dry skin, this is an amazing product. It's amazing, guys. And this one is also paraben free, sulfate free, it is cruelty free, it is vegan. From my side, this is an amazing product. I am really going to use it every day. It smells also so nice. I really like it. So from my side, 10 on 10 for this amazing Shea and cocoa body butter. Okay, after body care, let's move towards this amazing face care. This is actually a White Lotus natural face and body mist, and yeah, it also has a toner in it. I mean, this is 2-in-1. It's a mist and a toner. I have always been wanting products which are actually 2-in-1, so that I don't have to, when I'm traveling, I don't have to carry a lot of things with me. So this looks amazing. Let's try this. Really nice and refreshing, guys. The best part about this product is this is alcohol free. So anything which doesn't have alcohol is great for my face, because I want to preserve my skin. Yes, it's really nice to see how a product can actually make your skin really nice and tighten your pores, and this one really does that. I am really in love with this amazing toner because I really like to use toners which doesn't make your skin really dry. This one does that. It actually closes your pore. If you can see, it is actually giving me a nice sheen after applying it, which is a great quality. I'm really liking this amazing product by Pilgrim. It is a White Lotus Natural Face Mist and Toner. Last product which I have here with me is this vitamin C. As you guys know, you should actually use vitamin C for a nice, supple and young looking skin. So I'm gonna see how this one works on me. This has hyaluronic acid and white lotus. It has secrets of Jeju Island, and it's a Korean product. I wanted to use it with you guys and show you the application and also the results. So this is the product, how it looks like. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little and just apply it all over my face. Oh my god, it's actually very nice and sheen. For better results, it's very important to use a vitamin C serum in your day-to-day routine. I usually just put it at night and sleep. Superb, right? It also makes your skin really nice and soft, which is the best part. It has white lotus and hyaluronic acids as well. Color corrects your skin and minimizes your pores, gives you a youthful skin. So anybody who's 25 plus, a vitamin C serum is really important for your day-to-day routine. This one is really good, and I've been using it since a while, and I really feel that my dry skin is not anymore drier, and I also like how this absorbs into the skin and keeps it nice and supple and youthful. So I'm really going to use this vitamin C serum in my day-to-day care routine. Amazing range by Pilgrim. I am really impressed. It's a new brand, it's a Korean brand, but I am really impressed. I'm going to use this in my day-to-day care routine. It's a genuine suggestion, guys. Try these products and you will not regret them. That's about today. I hope you guys like this video. If you want to watch amazing content like this, then do let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, share it with your friends, your family. Try amazing products by Pilgrim, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you next time.